इन ऑफिसर्स हमें देते हैं. तो आई थिंक अ बिग थैंक यू टू हिम. So the only thing I said was जो भी करते हो दिल से करो, and that's why I'll always be indebted, and I use the word indebted. I'm not saying a thank you, but I use the word indebted to Nidhu. Nidhu is like my little daughter. लेकिन फिल्म लिखना, आहान के बारे में सोचना, भूषण नानू के लिए इतनी बड़ी फिल्म में आहान को लेना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. So from a father's point of view, indebted. I think रूप जी ने गाया था, रब. The only person who could have done justice to this song. I'm saying even रूप जी will say कि विशाल के बिना कोई और ये गाना गा ही नहीं सकता था. And at that level, क्योंकि हमेशा आप देखिएगा जब एक किसी भी गाने की रीमेक या रिहैश करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं we fail. But I feel they've done absolute justice. I mean, this is an absolute legend that we see here. So a big thank you to everybody for letting that happen. Binoy, who believed in Ahan again, Shiv, all of them, the director, they've shown so much love towards him. It's been, after his first film, थोड़ा सा ब्रेक आया था, you know, और हमेशा हमारी ज़िंदगी में एक तमाइल होता है और सबको लगता है कि यार सुनील शेट्टी का बेटा काम तो बहुत ही मिलता है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं there's a lot that he went through in life, but I'm so happy कि उसे बॉर्डर जैसी फिल्म मिली, उससे बढ़िया फिल्म नहीं मिल सकती. और just pray that he has done justice and the film works for all of us. Thank you, God bless.
Thank you so much.
और yes, नहीं भूलना चाहूँगा जेपी जी को जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया और आज आहान भी इस फिल्म में उसी वजह से है. And thank you all.
और मामा को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा. I am who I am because of them. And I know he's gotten very emotional right now, and I think I'll also get very emotional. So I'm not going to say too much except for just a big thank you to everyone. JP sir, Bhushan sir, Nidhi, Binoy, Shiv sir, Anurag sir, or Sunny sir, who is not here with us today. But he's been such an incredible support system throughout this filming process. And like Dad had said earlier that, you know, without him this film wouldn't have been made. और वरुण भी है. वरुण के बारे में क्या कहूँ man, he's a gem of a person. I love that guy like an older brother. And Diljit sir bhi, very humble, very down to earth, very supportive. So, you know, everyone has been incredibly supportive of me and very loving and very caring throughout this whole journey. So, you know, I hope on the 23rd when all of you guys go watch the film, you guys will see the camaraderie, the brotherhood that we have tried to bring in, just as all of you guys have as well. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you so much. Nidhi, moving on to our producer Sahiba, Zordar Talia for her, of course. You know, everybody is talking about this legacy, you know, जिसको आप, I know. At times, do you feel the pressure? Do you feel the pressure at times कि ये बहुत बड़ा word है जो आपके नाजुक कंधों पर है?
I feel the pressure every time I go and sit with my dad and update him for the day. But today I'm feeling the pressure a lot because with having Sunil uncle and Roop uncle on stage with us, definitely because like you said, they are the OG. What they have created has never, no one even is attempting to recreate, change, match up to that. All we are trying to do is, I think this film is a tribute to the first one. It is our way of showing respect to what they have created, and for us and I think I speak for my father when I say this, Border 1 was stories of our soldiers, Border 2 is stories of our soldiers, and hopefully this franchise will move ahead with more stories of our soldiers because like I've said earlier, I come from an armed forces family as well because my chacha was in the Air Force, all of my dad's cousins were in the army, so